Donald Trump na US for to aba eyi no say wo mu pani biom wa bedi bi kodada aye say o man pani John Dramani Mahama dedu abakọ enso Ghana for ye hwebre na ababre eyi aye nema yasan kofa na sana America memu nso esi wo ho pepepe Donald Trump wasamba biom na ni policy or the bias wo ba deportation de wo beyi bi na ne nam so a e ma ne gina so ekeka san sam ne nyina ne say a year last year we share stories do draw na ye na obenwa bibifo no Africans for na won what they say kan ya obi wa ye obi say obi awuda ha o de awobroni ba wa ye ni say sansam ne nyina enya abrofo na edi sansam na emu bibifo na edi sansam obe na bibini bi wa bodam no wonenam US mem ne nyina eno nti na this deportation eba when I Ghana ni abayo so no wa America ho ne nsunu gudem odisu eni ayro better social media sisia ne makrako skwa na abrofo ne etwetwem. You go to Ghana, our president will deport you to send some na no day enti Ghana de wo mu nyina wo mu ba Ghana ma yetie ne mbra
asem bebo asem asem kese na ebe erade yes, no. In the name of Jesus. Already, fear for the popra. Ya petra brochi ni nya sika dia behwe busua na de ebe ye die. Mesra ongro for me and say on me nan ye omugusro he. 23rd of February next month. Ya to aba. Mo amukota German pass na mo to aba ni ye. Mo amukoto aba ye no. Ye ko tim so me so tim ni ye wate baako ebe me yakọ back to ifi and dreams nipa ne your ba o onko ko to aba ne ye hey chama fozu buza wo mo so mo beto ma jo ma me no o buza chama fo na so mo beto ma me nye na sa kana na ne ebe ko say the Ghana na ye baba yazuku te German pass ma me do that so no say ma me we wini enyina e ko back to krum muni mo me ma no yaka cho mu school so ku te German pass so ku te Ghana pass na ye tuntum you go your home mo ko no mo to abani yo mo ko no mo ko to be ka say me ku te German pass. For now, where you go back to your Chrome. Who could the German pass? Yes, who go back to Chrome. And I could the German pass the pioneer. Nationality no my first thank a Dutch. She said nationality no on what the Ghanaian and I be sure. And you know the na bobo. I say no. Hey, and you have a quick Chrome. Germany for some but what mama I know. I'm so much of mama no. Mr. Temwa woman near man when I come to crop. And pen me boy right there. My Germany when you imagine Germany phone hate blacks at the door. Germany phone hate almost so much corona for your my jumon cleaning crowd on my year. Yaki cleaning yeah. Don't so me a quick crop. Mr. Go to mama, you know. Uko tuma mami no wana. Uo German pass kura be ko krum. Hey, rat. Misa me ko. Me start ko pa ke binia mai na da ya me ko. Da ya Ghana dia. Yebo. Sa mami yo da wini aye nyina ye pa Ghana. Ukita German pass. Ukita Ghana pass. Ye nyina ye ba. Ay, Jesus. Ay, abrofu so mbeto mama me no. Foreigners not in Germany again. Say mama we win. Wo dey mon ko to aba na mama me no. Wonya win say Kim back to your chrome back Ghana for your bow. So why preparation say wo be Germany nya abotransa. Na wo ba be kai ho ne continue abotra. China sa ko bisa ba na beto we na ehu do ba wini se maami we wini e momos forward we se wo ba se maami we wini a because yeah now be pay. Oh pay.
Latest deportation updates in Germany. Guys, there will be massive deportation in Germany this 2025. This announcement was made yesterday. This is no longer the era where they will make announcement of deportation. At the end, they will cancel the deportation. They will say there is no longer deportation. So, according to the news, they say that every city should take it very serious to start deporting people back. But before you start fearing deportation, you need to always know the people that will be deported. This is one thing I like Germany for. Before they will deport, they are going to announce the people that will be deported. So if you are guilty of it, you know what to do. So the deportation they are going to make this 2025 are majorly criminals. This is no longer they are deporting people with dudong, or they want to deport people that they send later to leave the country. No, this is about criminals in the country. That is one thing I like Germany for. If they want to carry out their deportation, they will make the announcement on time, and the people that will be deported, and they will carry out immediately.
See, I shopping mall US cry. Are you from Ghana? Are you American? Oh, you go very soon. Just say yeah, pamomo. Now we empire bo kwabeti me we empire bo de bata o matia na enkrata ni ni ho won beba enti John Dramani Mahama se sia ne population no ebeko high enti yesra na no so won hwe yeso aye ho masem etwentwa na mbeso makram.